Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned peas taste good. First, drain and rinse your canned peas very well under cool water. This simple step removes extra sodium and any metallic flavor. Next, melt about 1 tablespoon of butter or a similar amount of olive oil in a pan. Then, add some finely minced garlic or shallots and sauté them for about 60 seconds until fragrant. To truly elevate your peas, incorporate fresh herbs like chopped mint, parsley, or dill. Just a tablespoon or 2 will make a big difference. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, adds a wonderful brightness and cuts through any richness. For a touch of sweetness that balances the savory notes, try adding a small pinch of sugar or a 1/4 teaspoon of maple syrup. When cooking, gently simmer the peas with about 1/4 cup of vegetable broth for a few minutes. This infuses them with more flavor. For exciting textures, stir in some crispy cooked bacon bits, a tablespoon of crumbled feta cheese, or a handful of toasted slivered almonds. Finally, a dollop of crème fraiche or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese adds a creamy, savory finish. Your delicious, enhanced peas are now ready to be enjoyed. They make a fantastic side dish for almost any meal, from roasted chicken to grilled fish. You can also mix them into pasta salads, rice dishes, or even a quick frittata for added color and nutrition. Remember to season them generously with freshly ground black pepper and a final pinch of sea salt just before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.